In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or disconnect a domain from your Wix dashboard in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to upgrade your site, switch hosts, or simply clean up your dashboard, this guide will walk you through the entire process smoothly and effortlessly. To begin, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Wix account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which acts as your command center for all things related to your websites. From here, locate and click on the Domains section. This is where all your connected domains are listed, and you'll have access to all the management tools related to your website addresses. After clicking on Domains, you'll be presented with a list of all the domains currently linked to your Wix account. Scroll through this list until you find the domain that you're intending to remove or disconnect. Make sure that you double check the domain name you are selecting so that you don't mistakenly remove the wrong one. This part is crucial because any changes you make here could affect where your site is live. Once you've selected the specific domain, you'll see an option to either remove or disconnect it. Let's talk about what these two options mean. Removing a domain will permanently delete it from your Wix account, making it essential for situations where you no longer own the domain or won't be using it anymore. Disconnecting, on the other hand, simply means that the domain will no longer point to your Wix site, though it will still exist in your Wix account. This is an ideal choice if you plan to use the domain elsewhere, but might still consider reusing it with Wix in the future. If you've decided to remove the domain, you'll click on Remove. A confirmation pop-up will generally appear to ensure that you want to go through with this action. Make sure you carefully read through any additional information or warnings provided at this stage, as removing a domain is a permanent action. Once confirmed, the domain will be permanently deleted from your account. If you're only looking to disconnect, click on Disconnect. Similar to removing a domain, a confirmation dialog will appear, making sure this is indeed what you want to do. Confirm your choice, and your domain will no longer point to your Wix site, but will still be listed in your Wix domains for future use if needed. There you have it. Whether disconnecting or completely removing a domain from your Wix dashboard, this process is designed to be simple and efficient. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Wix tutorials.